What if you want to practice speaking English, but you have no one to talk to? No teacher, no partner, no class, just you. Well, here's the good news. You can practice speaking English alone, and it really works. Welcome to Clearly English, the podcast where we help you speak English with confidence. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex.
Today is a guided speaking practice session made especially for learners who practice alone. I'm going to ask you questions and you're going to answer out loud. Alex will give you example answers to help you, and by the end, you'll feel more comfortable speaking English on your own. Before we begin, if you are enjoying Clearly English, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new lesson. And when you finish today, leave a comment below and tell us what is one sentence you said out loud today. So, Alex, do you ever practice speaking English alone?
Honestly, not much. I always feel a little weird talking to myself, and I never really know what to say, so I usually just don't do it.
And that's so common. Many learners feel exactly the same way. They understand English, but they don't speak enough. They have no speaking partner, they feel awkward talking alone, and they worry about making mistakes. But here's what I want you to know. Speaking alone is real practice. Your mouth needs practice, your brain needs repetition, and your confidence grows every time you hear your own voice speaking English.
So even talking to myself actually helps.
It absolutely helps. And today, you won't be talking to yourself with no direction. I'm going to guide you the whole way. So let me explain how this works. I'll ask a question, you answer out loud, then Alex will give an example answer, and you can repeat his answer or make your own. And remember, short answers are completely fine. You don't need long, perfect sentences. You just need to speak. Are you ready, Alex?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's begin. Round 1. Introduce yourself. This is the perfect place to start because you already know the answers. They're about you. First question. What is your name? Answer out loud now. Say, my name is, and then your name.
My name is Alex.
Good. Now your turn, everyone. Say it out loud. My name is blank. Next question. Where are you from? Take a moment and say your answer.
I'm from Brazil. I grew up in Sao Paulo.
Perfect. Now you. Where are you from? Say it out loud. I'm from blank. Next. Where do you live now? Answer out loud.
I live in Sao Paulo. I've lived here my whole life.
Good. Your turn. Where do you live? Say it. I live in blank. Next question. What do you do? Are you working or studying? Answer out loud now.
I'm a teacher. I work at a local school.
Perfect. Now you. What do you do? Say it out loud. I'm a blank or I study blank. And one more. Why are you learning English? Take a moment and say your answer.
I'm learning English because I want to travel and feel more confident.
Wonderful. Now your turn. Why are you learning English? Say it out loud. I'm learning English because blank. Excellent. You just introduced yourself in English. That's real speaking practice. And everyone listening, did you answer out loud? If not, that's okay. But try to use your voice. Your voice needs the practice. Now let's move to round 2. Talk about your day. I'm going to give you some sentence starters about today. Complete each one out loud. First, I woke up at. Say what time you woke up today. Answer out loud now.
I woke up at 6:30 this morning.
Good. Your turn. I woke up at blank. Say it. Next, this morning I. What did you do this morning? Answer out loud.
This morning, I made coffee and got ready for work.
Perfect. Now you. This morning, I blank. Say it out loud. Next. Today, I feel. How do you feel today? Take a moment and say it.
Today, I feel a little tired, but good.
Good. Your turn. Today, I feel blank. Say it. Next, I need to. What do you need to do today? Answer out loud now.
I need to finish some work and buy groceries.
Perfect. Now you. I need to blank. Say it out loud. And one more. Later today, I will. What will you do later? Answer out loud.
Later today, I will cook dinner and relax at home.
Wonderful. Now you. Later today, I will blank. Say it. Great work, everyone. You just talked about your whole day in English. Now let's move to round 3. Describe what you see. This is a fun method. Right now, look around you, wherever you are, and describe what you see in simple English. First, I see. Look around and name one thing you see. Answer out loud now.
I see a table and a window.
Good. Your turn. I see blank. Say it. Next, there is. Describe one thing near you. Answer out loud.
There is a cup of coffee on the table.
Perfect. Now you. There is blank. Say it out loud. And next, the room is. Describe the room. Is it big, small, quiet, bright? Answer out loud.
The room is quiet and a little dark.
Good. Your turn. The room is blank. Say it. Next, I am sitting. Where are you sitting or standing right now? Answer out loud now.
I am sitting near the window.
Perfect. Now you. I am sitting blank or I am standing blank. Say it. And one more. Near me there is. Name something close to you. Answer out loud.
Near me, there is a lamp and my phone.
Wonderful. Now you. Near me there is blank. Say it out loud. And here's why this method is so powerful. When you describe what you see, you train your brain to think in English. Instead of translating, you just look and speak. And that makes your English faster and more natural over time.
That's a good point. I wasn't translating at all. I was just describing what was in front of me.
Exactly. That's the goal. Now let's move to round 4. Answer common questions. These are everyday questions people ask all the time. Answer each one out loud. First, how are you today? Answer out loud now.
I'm doing pretty well, thanks. A little busy, but good.
Good. Your turn. How are you today? Say it. Next, what did you eat today? Take a moment and say your answer.
I had eggs for breakfast and the sandwich for lunch.
Perfect. Now you. What did you eat today? Say it out loud. Next, what do you like to do in your free time? Answer out loud.
I like reading, listening to music, and going for walks.
Good. Your turn. What do you like to do in your free time? Say it. Next, what are your plans for the weekend? Answer out loud now.
This weekend I'm going to relax and meet a friend.
Perfect. Now you. What are your plans for the weekend? Say it out loud. And one more. What is something you want to improve? Take a moment and say it.
I want to improve my speaking. I want to sound more natural.
Wonderful. Now you. What is something you want to improve? Say it. Excellent work. You answered 5 real conversation questions. These are the same questions people will ask you in real life, and now you've practiced them. Now let's move to round 5. Shadow and repeat useful phrases. I'm going to say a phrase and you repeat it out loud right after me. Copy the rhythm. Speak clearly. Ready? I'm learning English.
I'm learning English.
I need more practice.
I need more practice.
Can you say that again?
Can you say that again?
I'm trying to speak more naturally.
I'm trying to speak more naturally.
I can speak simple English.
I can speak simple English.
I'm improving every day.
I'm improving every day.
Perfect. And everyone listening, did you repeat those out loud? Say them again with us. I'm learning English.
I'm learning English.
I'm improving every day.
I'm improving every day.
Good. These phrases are useful, and they're also true. You are learning English. You are improving every day. Now let's move to round 6. Build longer answers. Sometimes you give a short answer, and that's okay. But let's practice making short answers a little longer and more natural. I'll give you a short word, and Alex will show you how to make it a full sentence. First word, coffee.
I had coffee this morning.
Perfect. See how one word became a full sentence? Now you try. Take the word coffee and make a sentence out loud. Say it now. Next word, work.
I worked today and had a meeting.
Good. Now you. Take the word work and make a sentence. Say it out loud. Next word, tired.
I feel tired because I had a busy day.
Perfect. Now you. Take the word tired and make a sentence. Say it. Next word, dinner.
I'm going to make dinner tonight.
Good. Your turn. Take the word dinner and make a sentence out loud. Say it. See how easy that is? You take one word and you build a simple sentence around it. That's how you turn short answers into natural ones.
That feels really doable. Just add a little more to the word.
Exactly. Just a little more. Now let's do a mini guided speaking challenge. I'm going to give you 10 quick prompts. Answer each one out loud. Don't overthink it, just speak. Ready? Number 1, say your name and where you're from. Answer out loud now.
My name is Alex and I'm from Brazil.
Number 2, say what you did this morning. Answer out loud. Number 3, say how you feel today. Say it now.
I feel pretty good today.
Number 4, say what you had for breakfast. Answer out loud. Number 5, say one thing you see right now. Say it.
I see a window and some trees outside.
Number 6, say what you like to do in your free time. Answer out loud. Number 7, say what you're doing tonight. Say it now.
Tonight I'm going to relax and watch something.
Number 8, say one food you love. Answer out loud. Number 9, say one thing you want to do this weekend. Say it.
I want to go for a walk this weekend.
And number 10, say one sentence about why you're learning English. Answer out loud now.
I'm learning English because I want to feel more confident.
Excellent. You just answered 10 prompts out loud. That's a complete speaking practice session right there. How do you feel, Alex?
Honestly, really good. At the start I felt unsure, but now it feels natural, like the words are coming more easily.
That's exactly what happens. The more you speak, the easier it gets. Now let's talk about some common worries, because I know some people feel nervous about practicing alone. The first worry, I feel silly talking to myself. And that's normal at first. But here's the truth. You're not talking to yourself. You're training yourself. Athletes train alone. Musicians practice alone. You are practicing your voice. That's smart, not silly.
I like that. Training, not talking to myself.
Exactly. The second worry, I make mistakes. And here's the good news. Mistakes are part of learning. Every learner makes them. Don't stop when you make a mistake. Just keep speaking. The third worry, no one can correct me. But here's the thing. When you record yourself and listen back, you often hear your own mistakes. And when you listen to a lot of English, your ear becomes your teacher. The fourth worry, I don't know what to say. But now you have so many things to say. Talk about your day, describe what you see, answer common questions. Your life is full of speaking material. And the fifth worry, my pronunciation is not good. Pronunciation improves through practice, not worry. Every time you speak, your mouth gets more comfortable, so just keep speaking.
After trying all these rounds, the practice really does feel easier now.
And that's the power of just doing it. Now, let me give you a simple daily speaking routine you can do on your own. It only takes about 5 minutes. First, talk about your day for 1 minute. Just say what you did and how you feel. Second, describe one thing you see. Look around and describe it out loud. Third, answer one question out loud. Any question. How is your day? What are your plans? Fourth, repeat one useful phrase. Say it 3 times until it feels natural. And fifth, say one confident sentence. Something like, I can speak English, or I'm improving every day. That's the whole routine. 5 minutes, 5 simple steps, every day.
5 minutes. I can do that every day.
You can. And those 5 minutes will change your speaking over time. Now let's finish with some affirmations. I'll say each one, and you repeat it out loud. And everyone listening, say them with us. Ready? I can practice English alone.
I can practice English alone.
Speaking alone still counts.
Speaking alone still counts.
Simple English is enough.
Simple English is enough.
I improve when I speak.
I improve when I speak.
I can speak more naturally every day.
I can speak more naturally every day.
I do not need a partner to practice.
I do not need a partner to practice.
I am getting better every day.
I am getting better every day.
How did that feel?
Really good, especially that one about not needing a partner. That one feels important.
It is important because it's true. You don't need a partner. You don't need a teacher present. You don't need perfect conditions. You just need 5 minutes and your voice. And you have both right now. So here's what I want you to do. Come back to this episode and do the speaking practice again. The second time, your answers will come faster. The third time, even faster. And little by little, speaking English alone will feel completely natural. Thank you so much for practicing with us today on Clearly English. If this episode helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new lesson. And please leave a comment below and tell us, what is one sentence you said out loud today? Write it in the comments. We would love to see it. Remember, you don't need anyone else to practice speaking English. You just need yourself, your voice, and the decision to start. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep speaking every day. We believe in you. See you next time.
See you next time.